Hi everyone! Let's attempt to make something delicious today.
Today we're making spicy Korean chicken. For the chicken marinade, you will need 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper, half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, half a tablespoon of sesame oil, and 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Mix everything together and then leave the chicken to marinate for at least 10 minutes. For the sauce, you will need some ginger, some garlic, 2 tablespoons of gochujang, half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, and a dash of water. Then give everything a mix. Bake the chicken with gas mark 5 for 20 minutes and then flip them to cook for a further 20 minutes. Stir fry the ginger and garlic until fragrant and then add in the chicken and continue to stir fry on low heat for a few minutes. Add in the sauce and make sure all the pieces are coated, and then you're ready to serve. And that's how I make spicy Korean chicken. Thanks for watching!